I'm here on World Intellectual Property Day with the theme IP and SMEs, taking your ideas to market. And I'm here with Nick Kounoupias, who is ACID's Chief Counsel and IP Director. And I'm going to ask him in the context of this theme, Nick, do you think that UK designers are supported enough by government and policymakers?
Sadly, not. It's been something that's been a problem for many, many years. Even others in the intellectual property world refer to designs as the Cinderella right or the poor cousin in the intellectual property rights family, or even the unloved child. And this reflects the low status that design sadly has. And I think that has polluted the thinking of government over many, many years as well, to the extent that designers are not on a par with other intellectual property rights owners.
So, Nick, why do you believe it's important to have a level playing field between copyright and design right creators? What's the solution?
There's a legal argument and there's also a moral argument. I mean, firstly, no one can explain to me why someone who writes a song, or writes a book, or writes a piece of computer software, or makes a film or a TV program, why they should be treated any differently to another creator who creates a design as something in 3 dimensions. In principle, there is no reason. If someone designs something in 2 dimensions, they're protected by copyright law. If they produce that in 3 dimensions, they're protected by designs law. But the consequences and the scope of the protection is markedly different. And there is just no justification for that.
So in terms of your message to designers on this special day, many designers have currently lost EU 27 protection for unregistered design rights post-Brexit.
Well, designers are, in my experience, brilliant creators, but they're not always the most savvy businessmen. And they need to understand the context within which they operate, and also need to understand the power of a concerted lobby can have in improving their position. And that's why ACID is so important, because we give designers, lone, micro and SMEs, a voice. But designers should be keen to lobby their own MPs. They should be anxious to make their name and voice heard in the media, in the newspapers, local newspapers. We need to be as powerful a lobby as, for example, the music industry. We have just as much going for us, but we just need to make our voice heard better. And once our voice is heard better and understood, then I believe that the protection that we so need will become available.